What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing Microbiome Breakthrough by BiOptimizers. This is one of their, I believe, newer products that is a blend of really three different things. I'm going to share with you my results taking this product, the effects that it had on my body, which were probably needed, and something new that I learned, which was really cool because typically I don't learn a lot, to be honest with you, by reading supplement labels, but I actually did with this product, and I'll teach you that today. So the main ingredients in this formula, the highest concentration is called IgY Max. Now this is a hyperimmunized egg powder. This is 2,000 milligrams per scoop. And then you have a lactobacillus probiotic blend, which is 65 milligrams, a bovine collagen blend, which is 500 milligrams, and a bovine bone broth blend, which is just 500 milligrams as well. So really the highest level is this hyperimmunized egg powder, which I'll share with you in a minute. A little bit of probiotics, and then the bovine collagen and bovine bone broth are basically the same, 500 milligrams each. But the main formula is this hyperimmunized egg powder, 2,000 milligrams, and then the bovine collagen and bovine bone broth, 1,000 milligrams between two of those, 500 each. So then you have 3,000 milligrams, and then you have 3,065 because the 65 added probiotics. So this formula, first and foremost, most of us are probably familiar with what collagen is. It is for our skin, hair, nails, gut lining, things like that. And then bone broth is a mineral-rich formula from bone broth. So it's got a lot of minerals in it. Collagen, good for beauty, good for the gut lining. Bone broth, good for the gut lining as well, but also good for the minerals that your body needs. Now, the hyperimmunized egg powder, IgY Max, I didn't know what that was, so I had to look it up, and I found something very interesting. So this is essentially hens whose eggs are quite literally inundated with different pathogens, and because of this, their eggs produce a high amount of immunoglobulins, which are basically immune-boosting aids. And the best part about this is it doesn't cause an inflammatory response in our body as humans. It just gives us the ability to fight more pathogens, bacteria, viruses, funguses, things like this. And interestingly enough, I pulled up some statistics for you on this. IgY Max has been clinically shown to reduce the leaky gut marker zonulin, zonulin, by 95%. So zonulin is a leaky gut marker, and just by consuming IgY Max, which is this hyperimmunized egg powder, that goes down by 95%. And once again, that has been clinically shown. Additionally, it improves the gut barrier integrity and reduces your gut inflammation. It binds to harmful bacteria, reducing gut inflammation, leading to a healthier digestive tract. And it enhances your immune response by neutralizing pathogens, and it supports a balanced immune response overall. So that's what that is and what it does. Obviously then, once again, you have the probiotic blend that is beneficial to balance out your gut microbiome, the collagen to rebuild your gut lining, good for, once again, hair, skin, and nails. And by the way, my hair has grown faster and my skin has looked healthier, and it's since I've started taking this product, so I do notice a difference from that. And then the bone broth, which is just a great source of minerals and another really good aid for leaky gut and for gut health in general. So personally, I really like this formula. This is the chocolate flavor. They have a vanilla flavor also, I believe. In fact, this is so delicious. I kid you not. And I recommend taking this on an empty stomach because then your gut lining has only this to work with. Cheers. I literally, it's so good. It's honestly delicious. I've used about half of this container in a week. I kid you not. It's that good. And so here's my results. When I first started taking it, I'll be honest, I was a bit skeptical. I actually had some digestive challenges. I ended up going to the bathroom a little bit more often. Number 2, for the record, which is a good thing, by the way. If you don't know, that's a good thing. And my body excreted a little bit more than I normally do. And I also just noticed my skin looked better. My skin looked healthier, and my skin felt softer and felt better. So I'm really impressed by this formula. Like I said, I was a little bit of a skeptic in the beginning because I'm like, what is this IgY hyperimmunized egg powder, and why is it such a massive ingredient in this formula? But when I looked up the clinical research in regards to a leaky gut, this is one of the best things that you can possibly take. And I'm pleasantly surprised. BiOptimizers, once again, has done it. A great job, that is. And it works really well, and it tastes delicious. By the way, there's other ingredients, which are organic inulin, a little bit of stevia, vanilla, flavor, Peruvian cacao powder. So very clean formula. The only thing I do question, I will say, is I wonder with that hyperimmunized egg powder, I wonder if those are like pasture-raised eggs or not. That I'm a little bit curious about that. To me, I'm like, okay, what's the deal here? If you're just looking for individual ingredients in here, like probiotics or collagen or bone broth, you can definitely get a better deal elsewhere. In fact, I pulled this aside. This is where I get my bone broth. It's like, what is it? 1.12 pounds. And this is 150 grams. So this is 510 grams of bone broth, and this is 150 grams of bone broth, collagen, and this hyperimmunized egg powder. So this is more like biodiversity, but this is just, if you're looking for straight bone broth with nothing added, no sweeteners, this is unflavored pasture raised, which I don't really know if this is pasture raised, which that's the one downside. It does say it's gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, but it doesn't say much more than that. I wish they would tell me. But I did notice an improvement with this, regardless. But if you're looking for straight bone broth, that's a cheaper and works really well. This is really great. This is from a company called Paleo Valley. I'll put links to BiOptimizers below with the discount code. I'll also put links to Paleo Valley below to their bone broth with the discount code also. And if you're looking for something to improve your collagen absorption, Radiate 21 is amazing for that. Radiate 21 includes Sangre Grotto, which is a tree sap from Peru, and it's a collagen building block. So if you're taking something like this with collagen in it or bone broth, and you're getting more amino acids and proteins in, it's also good to have a tree sap like Sangre Grotto, which is the main ingredient in Radiate 21, to benefit those collagen building blocks and enhance your body's ability to heal your gut lining, but also take care of your hair, your skin, and your nails as well. So that's it for this video. I really do like this formula. I just wish there was more clarity on the label, I will say. I don't know the quality of the bone broth, the collagen, the hyperimmunized egg powder. It did seem to help me, but I just wish I knew the source a little bit more. But I'll probably try it again. I'll probably get their vanilla flavor also. This is their chocolate flavor. And yeah, like I said, I love it. It tastes delicious and does seem to help overall. So I would recommend it. But I'd also recommend just having straight bone broth on hand, unflavored, because you can add this to soups, recipes, drinks, or anything like that as well. So I'll put this below. This is from a company called Paleo Valley. And these go really well together, honestly. So that's it for this video. By the way, I do health and wellness reviews from all different health and wellness companies. I'm a certified health and wellness coach and educator. And I've vetted more than 20 different health and wellness brands. If you want to get discounts codes on these brands, click the link below in the description at healthywildfree.com/shop. And that will give you discount codes and special offers for more than 20 different health and wellness brands to ensure that your health and wellness journey is as healthy as it could possibly be, as well as at a discount. So check out that link below. Subscribe for more health and wellness product reviews. I'll be doing more BiOptimizers reviews of other products of theirs, as well as other brands in the future. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.